Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to receive money on PayPal. Now the first way is, of course, you just share your PayPal email and they send it to your PayPal email, the normal way. The other way is you launch PayPal, tap here on a request, and then just type in the person's email or username, okay, that you want to request from. And then tap here on request from and then their email. Okay, and then I want you to just type in the amount that you want to request. Let's do 50 Australian dollars, and then let's add a message. So let's say funds. Then you can tap here on review, and here you'll see the amount. Okay, just tap on request. Now, as you can see, we have requested $50 from that person, and that is the message. Okay, then you can just tap on done. But otherwise, it's really that easy. They'll just see that on their email. They just have to click on the link and the amount will be sent to you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.